we owe it to ourselves and the future generations to create a more sustainable world. So wouldn't it be great if we could recycle this into the future of home construction? So welcome to 39 Sunset Lane. This is the house that you've seen featured throughout the entire media. And as you can see, this home is beautiful, with over 2,000 square feet of living space, featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. So let's take a tour and see what 600,000 of these built.